are you? I'm so excited for you to see this one. Come on in. So I know there's snow right now and it's harder to see, but this house has such beautiful landscaping. They do have a photo from the fall. Okay, I know you were looking for a home office, so this is a great option right off of the entryway. You would never know the house was built in 2005 because the seller has redone everything. This kitchen was actually remodeled just a couple of years ago. They have the huge island and the beautiful quartz countertops. I love that they have the high ceilings in the living room. It makes it feel like such a bigger room, and then you have the fireplace, so it keeps it nice and cozy. This has such a flexible floor plan too for all the rooms that you need. With the finished basement, it's almost 5,000 square feet. So you saw there's 3 really good sized rooms up here, but I'm excited for you to see the master. From what we've seen, it's pretty hard to find a master bath that's fully updated, but these sellers did such a great job finishing their master bath with luxury finishes. They have the quartz countertops again, they have the black slate flooring, and they did a beautiful standalone air tub. I know you're looking for another living space. This is such a great walkout finished basement. There's tons of room to entertain down here. You've got the bar area, and then you have the whole entertainment space over there. They are Steelers fans, but we'll forgive them for that. We have over an acre of land and almost 5,000 finished square feet, so I think that this is a great alternative to new construction. What do you think?